Hey guys, today we're trading at the Quotex platform. Get yourself a cup of tea and hop on. You got some questions regarding any complicated trading issues? Don't worry, you can ask me anything you're curious about on my Telegram channel. Come join and let's figure it out together. The link is in the description. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make money off of binary options with one simple strategy anyone is capable of comprehending. Moreover, this strategy will let you make money at any time of the day, no matter what the situation in the world is on the financial market, no matter any financial news, because this strategy is linked to an indicator that gives nice entry points at any time of the day and night. The link to the broker I'm trading with is in the description. Now let's move on to trading. So let's go to the TradingView platform. Here you need to either log into your account or sign up. To open the full chart, click on this button right here. After that, we need to select the currency pairs we want, as it is quite possible that you don't have them added just yet. So in order to do this, click on this plus icon. Here you want to select Forex. And your job is to add all currency pairs with the FXCM quote provider. Now let's add an indicator we will be trading today with. In order to do this, let's go to the indicator section, type in TMA overlay in the search tab, and add in this indicator right here. As you can see, our chart has changed quite nicely. Now let's take a look at how we can work with this indicator. So in this indicator, we can see 4 lines. These lines show how much and in what ways the price has changed. We will use these lines as resistance or support levels. If all the lines are at the top of the chart, we will use this as a resistance level and place downward trades. As you can see, these lines work pretty well historically, because we can witness a lot of retracements in the past historically. You can see it right here. In addition, this indicator also provides signals based on candle patterns. This allows you to make money almost at any time of the day and night, regardless of what day it is, what news there are on the financial market, and so on. Our task is to wait for the moment when the price approaches either the resistance level or the support level, either one of the levels. And to obviously open a trade, assuming a pullback from said level. I hope it's clear so far. If you guys have any questions, you can always ask me directly by the link in the description. And of course, today we will only trade along with the trend. That being, if we see that these lines are at the top of the chart, we will open trades assuming the price is gonna roll down from these lines. Yeah. And if these lines are at the bottom of the chart, it means that the overall trend is upwards, and we will only open trades to the upside, so upwards, buy trades. Now let's finally get to practice and start trading. Let's look for a first case. So I immediately found the first situation. The first thing I can notice is that the general motion is downwards. The second thing I can see is that the price is currently at a resistance level where I expected to go for a pullback. That being said, the pullback has already happened. I can also see amazing momentum candles in favor of the seller, which will also confirm my entry point. So I'm going to the broker and opening a downward trade at my selected currency pair. Guys, also pay close attention to the currency pairs, because the currency pairs on TradingView have nothing to do with the OTC ones. Remember to only ever pick pairs without the OTC mark. Look what a good, confident price course we managed to capture, and our trade was closed in a sure profit. Let's move on. So I found another nice entry case. The first thing I can say is that the overall course is downward. And the second thing I can say is that the price is approaching our resistance level. And thirdly, I can see a downward signal from this indicator, by the way. These factors are enough for me to place a trade downwards. And I also recommend you guys considering other secondary factors, such as the historical performance of this indicator. So how well the indicator worked in the past on a certain asset. If it has worked well in the past, it will probably work well now. Look at this great movement we can already capture thanks to this strategy. This trade is confidently closing in a profit, and let's carry on. So I found another nice entry situation. We can see that the overall chart course is currently downwards. The second thing we can notice is that the price has reached the resistance area from where the pullback has already started. Besides that, I see a great downward signal. This is yet another confirmation of my entry point. Let's go to the broker and place the trade. So my trade is placed. Let's wait for the result. And by the way, guys, look at what a good move the seller made when the price started to pull back from our level. And this also confirms that there is a strong seller over here who will push the price lower. As you can see, the market is going almost in the same direction, meaning it's going steadily downwards at this exact moment. That's why we already have the third downward trade in a row. So my trade closed in a profit. We have caught a good downward movement. Let's look for other situations. And I found another situation to place a trade within. The first thing I couldn't help but notice is that the overall course is downwards. And the second thing I see is that we have a downward motion from this resistance level. In addition, I can see 3 signals here indicating the price is going to go down, along with incredible momentum candles confirming seller strength just as well. So let's place a trade. My trade is placed. Let's wait for the result. I also want to remind you guys to consider all the risks in your practice, because sooner or later you will stumble upon a failed trade. So make sure to follow your risk management so that this failed trade doesn't end up being your last one. So our trade closed in a profit. Let's open literally one more and wrap it up. So another nice situation. It's actually a little bit similar to the last one. Here we can see that a downward move has started from the resistance level. I can also see signals indicating that the price is intending to go down. And I also see, you can see right here, these impulsive candles that confirm my entry point. I'm going to my broker and placing the trade. So the trade is open. Let's wait for the result. My trade failed, but that's totally alright, guys. I'm doubling the deal amount and placing another one. If this trade closes in a profit, I will cover the loss from the previous failed one and even make an extra net profit of over $100. And this trade closed in a profit. Unfortunately, we couldn't capture any significant fluctuations with this trade because after the little price move, it made a corrective retracement back again. But that's totally alright since we still got a profit and now it's time to sum things up. Well, at the end of this trading session, by using a simple strategy, we have increased our account balance by $2,000. Guys, that's a truly impressive result. Anyways, I have a gift for you guys. Today on my Telegram channel, I'm hosting a free trading session where you can make money with me by copying my trades. And I guess that's it for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Wishing you guys huge profits only and a lucky trading day. Bye bye.